Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good, thank you.
How many classes do you have today?
Total, I have 4 hours scheduled.
Hmm.
Classes, I had some people only reserve 15 minutes, some people reserve a half hour, and I had two for an hour each. So,
How is the situation over there?
with what exactly? With the coronavirus?
COVID-19.
We had like 47,000 a couple of days ago, and then yesterday. Actually, I don't know about yesterday, but the day before, like we had like 40,000 something for like 3 days straight. Yeah. So some of the states were reopening and now they are reconsidering like what they think that they should close again.
At present, you people are allowed to go outside.
Yes,
There is no curfew.
no, 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 there are no curfews right now. Not that I know of. I don't know about other states because I know some of the protests are really bad, but I don't think
Mhm.
we have any COVID related curfews. Like,
Because here in Saudi Arabia,
yeah.
there is no curfew.
Oh, they lifted it?
We can go outside. Yes, we can go outside. Yes.
It's no more curfews ever again. That's it. You're done. Oh, okay.
I cannot tell you about the future. Maybe they will impose curfew,
Okay.
but right now there is no curfew.
Wow. And everything is open?
Yes, everything is open.
Can you sit inside of like a restaurant or a cafe?
Yes, I think people can sit inside because when I went couple of days ago to buy something, I saw there were people inside the restaurants and they were eating.
Mm. And are masks mandatory like in shopping centers or
Yes, it is compulsory. Even in the shops, they have posted it outside their shops that without mask, you cannot be allowed to come inside.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Um, I actually went shopping like 2 days ago and I went to the supermarket and there were like a few people, I want to say several
Mhm.
people, not wearing masks.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah. But don't forget, I'm not in New York right now. I'm still in Virginia visiting my mom. So,
okay.
but still, I mean, I just think it's strange. Like, aren't you worried? Aren't you a little bit concerned? Right?
People should think about it by
Mhm,
themselves.
mhm,
They need to take care of it
mhm.
because government cannot come and see each and every person and ask them to please wear mask.
Yeah.
I have a mosque just in front of my apartment.
Okay.
So even in the mosque, we are not allowed without mask
Yeah, of course.
and without a prayer mat. We should have our own prayer mat. So
Oh.
yes. So
Oh.
when we enter, there is a distance between the people as well. So and I am very amazed to see that everyone is abiding by the law.
Wow.
In Pakistan, people are doing things at their own will and they are not listening to the government. But here, people know because most of the people I told you, those who are working over here are expatriates,
Yeah.
and they know if they put a foot wrong, they will be sent back.
Yeah, maybe that's why.
So they are extra careful.
Yeah, that makes sense. What happened? Was it yesterday or was it today? What happened in Karachi with the stock?
How do you know this?
What do you mean? I live in this planet.
I know you live in the planet, but how come you know about Karachi,
Well,
especially?
there was like an explosion or something. I don't know. I read the world news today. What
Okay, okay.
happened?
What I came to know through my flatmates, they told me few people tried to enter the Karachi Stock Exchange,
Yeah.
but the guards who were deployed over there, they killed them. They tried to fight back, but one of the terrorists managed to went inside, and maybe uh, 4 to 5 people have been killed in that incident.
Is that including the terrorists or just the people?
No, no, no. I think the common people.
Oh.
I was having a little bit trouble in pronouncing your name.
Mhm.
How do you pronounce it?
Well, here I only go with the first 4 letters of my name, which is Meli, but it's
Mali.
Melike. Yeah, so nobody can really say it. That's fine.
It's
Melike?
Melika.
Okay.
Is it? Okay, I know I haven't pronounced it correctly.
Yeah, it's okay.
So it is an Arabic name, or what is the origin of this word?
Arabic, yeah. I don't know how they, is it Malika? Malika? I don't know how they, it means
Mhm.
queen. I know that.
Okay, because yes, there are people in our country as well, but we pronounce it Malika.
Yeah,
Malika.
Malika. Yeah, I think that's how it's pronounced over there too.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a Muslim name.
Yes. Yeah, I'm Muslim.
When I first read your name,
Mhm.
it was very much difficult to pronounce, and I thought it is some English name, maybe. So it's, and I was trying to pronounce it like me like, or something like that.
Yeah, because it's spelled me like, but it's
Yeah.
just the Turkish way of spelling it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many classes do you still have now after me?
After you, I think another hour and a half after this, but I think they're all like 15 minutes here, another 15 minutes there. Like it's really,
Okay.
yeah.